Hey guys, it's Sierra with LifefulAndFrugal.com, and I just wanted to quickly let you know that some of the links below in our description on our YouTube channel and also LifefulAndFrugal.com do include affiliate links, which means if you click on a link and make a purchase, we may receive a small commission for that purchase at no extra cost to you. So I just wanted to let you know, and we appreciate your support. And also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment below. It really, really helps the algorithm. It helps people find us, and we really appreciate it. If you're enjoying our content and you're interested in supporting us financially, we do have a link in the description below for a tip jar. You can leave any amount that you like, and it just shows your support. It really helps run the show because we are doing this full time now, and we appreciate anything that you're willing to give. Thank you so much for considering, and have a great day.